Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this pose in 10 head technique. It's an easy one and it's best for beginners to start out with easy pose. Okay, so as always, we're going to leave 1 centimeter from the bottom and the top of the paper. Draw a vertical line in the middle. We're gonna measure that line and divide it by 10 to create horizontal line. The first line is the head, the second line is the shoulder and bust, the third line is the waist, fourth line is the hips, line 5 and 6 is thigh, line 7 is knees, 8 is calves, 9 is ankle, and the last one is feet. We're gonna start with the head of the figure, then the neck. The distance between the neck and shoulder is 1/3 of the second line. The hips are as wide as shoulder wide, and the rest, with more practice, you will learn quickly and understand the proportion of the figure. I've always struggled with drawing the lower part of the figure, but after practicing a lot, it really gets easier. So I encourage you guys to keep on practicing because practice makes it perfect. For this pose, the hands are at the waistline, so the elbow lines are about half of the third line. In the previous video, I told you that the elbow lines are always at the third line or the waistline. Sometimes the poses are different, so the elbow lines are different as well. Now we can erase some of the line and draw design on top of it. You can be creative and bring that ideas to life. Later on, after we finish with our design, we can trace it with the pen and erase all of the lines. So it's just only your design and your figure, and it looks more clean and professional. If you have any question or it wasn't clear enough, please let me know in the comments. And if you have any recommendation for me to improve, please also let me know in the comments. I hope this video has helped you, and if it does, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.